Hello guys. We are going to play a game. The game name is Good Boy, I think. I'm going to uh, write it in this description again. And the game is from ITCHIO, so let's just start. It's made with Unity too. Oh, that's a cute game. Oh my god, a dog. This is me. I'm a boy. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god, let's go. Hello, dog. Hello. This looks so cute. How do I? Walks pretty slow too, but it's alright. Okay. Okay, this is my dog. It's a nice game. This is my bed. Okay, I can't walk faster. What can I do instead? He looks a bit sad. The way he walks. Pet Jasper? Yes. Jasper seems extremely happy to be getting your attention. My Jasper's so cute. Cute doggy. Okay. It holds book. Read a book? Yes. Turns out it actually a wardrobe. No book here. Freak you. It's a trash can. Look inside it? Yes. It's filled with trash. You're not sure why you expected anything different. True. It's a computer. You spend many hours a day webbing out on it. Yeah. It's your computer chair. It squeaks loudly anytime you move on it, much to the amusement of your friends. Yeah, my friends. It's your alarm clock. It's 8:38 p.m. Oh, it's in the morning. Jasper spread. It was really expensive, but he always just sleeps on your bed anyways. Nice. It's a window looking out into the backyard. The gentle orange glow of the setting sun is shining through it. Nice, that's good. Jasper, get the off my bed. Okay, can I do this? It's a light switch. Flip the switch? Yes. Cool. I love this. Yay! It is so cool. A nice game. It's a house plant. You should probably buy some more fertilizer for it soon. Okay. It's your bedroom door. It's a bit late to be heading out tonight. Oh, it's late. Oh, I thought it's AM. Okay. Oh, it's PM. Yeah. What I'm supposed to do? Wait. Jasper, help me. Go to sleep for the night. Yes. Jasper and me. My dog. Do you guys hear that? You're not quite sure why you woke up. You feel very uneasy. Same. Oh my god. Is the window open? You turn to Jasper to try to put yourself at ease. At least I have Jasper. You can see him very well in the darkness, but you reach out to pet him. Though he doesn't stare, you feel him lick your hand in response. You feel a bit more relaxed now. Oh my god, someone's trying to break in my door. Hear a weird scratching noise. This must be what woke you up. A cat? I hope so. You think it's coming from the door. God! Hello, who is this? Is this my mom? Girl, I hope not. This is a horror. I hope not. It's a box chicken. Wait, Can Jasper help me, please? It's a computer, it won't run. Oh my god! I need to do something. The display on your alarm clock seems to be off. Maybe the power went out. What is going on? Wait. It's Jasper, yeah. The moonlight is shining into your room and through the window. Jasper, you gotta help me. Help me, Jasper. Jasper's sleeping soundly. He doesn't seem to be bothered enough by the noise to wake you up. Oh my god, Jasper. You're a great dog. Let's make the lights switch on. Nothing happened. The power must have gone out. Oh no. Open it? Yes. I hope it's my mom or something. Hello? It's a dog. I hope so. It's not an alien dog. Oh, that's me. Jasper? What are you doing out here, boy? I thought you were sleeping in. What's going on? This isn't Jasper in my room, alright? My room? On my bed? Guys. What the? No. Who is that? Oh my god. What happened with me? No, Jasper, you were alive. Bruh, I wanna know what happens next. What great game. Yeah, thank you too. Okay, that's it for the game. I really liked it. Yeah.